In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple transactions in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to quickly remove a batch of unwanted bank transactions using the Exclude option, so your books stay clean and accurate. First, open QuickBooks Online in your browser and make sure you're in the correct company file. Once you're on the home dashboard, head to the left-hand menu. Choose Transactions, then Bank Transactions. Depending on your region or version, this section may simply be labeled Banking, but it takes you to the same place, the page where your connected bank and credit card feeds appear. Here you'll see the For Review tab with all the transactions that have been imported from your bank but haven't yet been added to your books. This is the best place to clean up duplicates, personal charges that shouldn't be recorded, or any entries you don't want to bring into QuickBooks. If you have a long list, consider using the built-in search and filters at the top to narrow by account, date, payee, or amount. That makes selecting the right items much faster and reduces mistakes. Next, select the transactions you want to remove. To do that, simply check the box beside each transaction you want to delete from this review list. You can check as many as you need in one go. Take a moment to double-check the details, date, description, and amount, so you're excluding only the items you truly don't want in your books. With your selections made, look for the Exclude button above the list and click it. QuickBooks will move those transactions out of the For Review tab and into the Excluded section. In practical terms, that means these items won't be added to your accounting records and won't affect your balances or reports. This is the correct way to delete multiple bank feed transactions in bulk from the review queue. A couple of important notes for context. Excluding removes transactions from the bank feed's review list. It doesn't delete anything from your actual bank account, and it doesn't remove transactions that were already added to your register. If you excluded something by mistake, you can access the Excluded section later and bring it back to For Review. And before making large batch changes, it's always smart to confirm you have the right account selected at the top of the page and, if needed, export a quick list for reference. That's it. Open QuickBooks, go to Bank Transactions, select the items you don't need, and click Exclude to remove them in bulk. Thanks for watching, and keep your feed tidy to save time and prevent errors in your books.